Okay guys, you have to fold the collar stay into two. Some people call it neck gum. I already have a pattern I use to draft my shirt neck, so you place it on it, then use your biro to sketch. As you can see in this video, it's very easy. This way you don't need to start drafting a pattern whenever you want. You just place this one on it and you get wherever you want to. Okay, when you are done drafting the neck or cutting the neck out, as you can see, when you are done, you just have to place it on the fabrics, then cut out the one you need. That's how I do mine. I do it like this to avoid wasting fabrics, because I don't like to waste fabrics. And from here you iron. Okay, from here, when you want to sew, try not to sew close to the gum stay or close to the neck gum. Try to give a little space when you are sewing. After sewing, you trim it a bit to avoid mistake. Trim it a bit. When you trim, you have to be careful to avoid mistakes. Try not to cut too close to the stitches. Then you turn. You notch here and the other parts. Okay, you stitch here using machine gauge or 1/4. When you stitch, you have to drag the fabrics to take that stitches at the back. You have to take it to the back because it won't look good when the stitches is showing in front. The stitch I mean is not the one you are doing right now, it's the one you did before. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm dragging it to the back. It has to be at the back or in the middle where nobody will see it. It won't be good when it's in front of the collar. So when I'm done, you trim it a bit. Trim it the exact way the collar is, or the point where that collar is. That's how you trim. Then you fold it to get the middle of the notch. And for this part, I already used iron to press this, so you just have to stitch on it using 1/4. Some people doesn't use iron on this, but me, I use iron. So when I sew, I just do my stitches directly. But if you didn't press it, you can just fold it, then you stitch. Okay, you fold to get the middle. This is the back. This is the back. You have to turn it to the front. Then you place this on it. The middle. Place it to the middle. When you trim this one a bit, trim it down to 1/4. You can use 1/2 inch if you want, but 1/2 inch is kind of big for me, so I decided to use 1/4. You still get the same results. Nothing different. So I just make it small. The smaller the better. Then you place it on it. The same middle. It has to be the middle all through. Then you stitch from the center down. Then start from here to the middle. Start from here to the middle. Then you turn it like this. When you're done, you trim it by the same 1/4. Like I said earlier, you can also use 1/2 inch here. As you can see, it's done. Very easy. Very easy. So you can try yours. Feel free. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section. Very easy and ready for use.